Hello everyone, welcome to the experience sharing channel of DIVI Group. Today, we will share with you how to eliminate the risks of boiler explosion. As we all know, an industrial boiler is a closed device operating under high pressure, where heat transfer converts water into steam, delivering thermal energy to production facilities. The main causes of boiler explosions are usually due to a sudden increase in pressure inside the boiler exceeding the limit, without a proper relief valve or if the valve fails to release in time, leading to an explosion. Over time, the materials used to manufacture the boiler may deteriorate, making them unable to withstand the pressure inside the boiler, which can also result in an explosion. According to the experience of DIVI Group, if we manage 5 key aspects, we can completely eliminate the risks of boiler explosion. Let's go through them one by one. First, we need to use specialized materials for boiler manufacturing, specifically designed for pressure equipment. For pressure-bearing and heat-resistant components, commonly used heat-resistant steel plates in Vietnam include a 515 heat-resistant steel, SB 450 heat-resistant steel, or similar materials. However, please note that these must be heat-resistant steel. For heat-resistant steel pipes, we should use types like C20, a 106, a 192, or similar. Pay special attention that these must be seamless heat-resistant steel pipes and not welded steel pipes. The chemical composition of heat-resistant steel has been specifically calculated to minimize corrosion caused by mechanical and chemical factors. Choosing the right materials will make the boiler more durable and significantly reduce the risks of a boiler explosion. Second, the boiler must be equipped with sufficient overpressure protection devices. Typically, a boiler is equipped with at least 2 safety valves. These valves automatically release steam when the pressure inside the boiler reaches a certain limit. Regularly check whether these 2 safety valves are functioning properly by testing the valve handle. During each operational shift, operators should slightly lift the safety valve handle. If steam escapes and the valve automatically reseals, it indicates the safety valve is working well. Ensure 2 safety valves are in place to guarantee reliability, as the probability of both valves failing simultaneously is very low. Safety valves should have a discharge capacity at least 20% higher than the boiler's steam generation capacity to ensure complete discharge during overpressure incidents. Additionally, the boiler should be equipped with overpressure protection relays, with at least 1 relay as a minimum. DIVI Group recommends installing 2 relays for enhanced reliability. These devices stop the entire system when the boiler pressure exceeds the set limit. Regularly check the operational condition of these devices at least once a month. For added safety, you can install an additional pressure sensor on the boiler shell. This sensor will send pressure signals to the control cabinet, which can trigger protective measures in the boiler control system. Thus, there are 4 to 5 levels of overpressure protection for the boiler, making overpressure protection nearly absolute. Third, install a water level sensor system to measure and warn about the water levels in the boiler. The water level sensor system can use probes or additional float-type water level sensors. Water level sensors are divided into 4 warning levels as follows. Level 1, full water. The pump will automatically turn off when the water reaches this level. Level 2, low water. The pump will automatically turn on when the water drops to this level. Level 3, critical low, minor risk. The pump continues to operate, but warning lights alert the operator while the system remains operational. Level 4, critical low, severe risk. The entire system shuts down. Warning lights alert the operator, and only manual operations are allowed. At level 4, you can set a password in the control system to prevent operators from manually pumping water into the boiler under these circumstances. Alternatively, ensure operators are well trained before independently operating the boiler. Fourth, use water treatment chemicals regularly for the boiler. DIVI Group has a detailed video guide on this topic available on our channel. Please check it out. Fifth, regularly blow down the boiler to remove scale deposits. DIVI Group also has a detailed video guide on this process on our channel. Operators need to understand that following these steps properly brings the greatest benefit, which is ensuring their own safety. This is also the primary goal of DIVI Group in creating this video. We hope that this small contribution from the DIVI Group team will help those operating boilers. This concludes our sharing session. We would greatly appreciate receiving constructive feedback from you. Thank you for your attention.